A health think tank said early voting should be allowed to make the voting process safe during the Melaka election. Limiting voting to only one day will see a congestion of large groups of people and crowds at voting centres. This is a misstep by the Election Commission, Galen Centre for Health and Social Policy CEO Azrul Muhammad Khalib told FMT. Azrul said there would certainly be a surge in new COVID-19 positive cases, adding that breakthrough cases were likely. The recommendations and SOPs are the same as they have always been. The problem is whether people, the public and the politicians, will listen, understand and behave in a safe way, he said. Azrul reiterated that there was a need for proper physical distancing, wearing of face masks, using hand sanitizers and avoiding closed and crowded spaces. However, he said no amount of policing or enforcement would work unless people were proactive and supportive of these measures. Azrul also predicted a low turnout as people might not be fully convinced that elections can safely be held. Bersih 2.0 chairman Thomas Fan concurred. He said that early voting should be considered, suggesting a 3-day voting period. Speaking to FMT, Fan said Bersih was glad the EC had decided to go ahead with the election and that the government was not using a proclamation of emergency to stop it. We believe that the EC can manage an election in a smaller state like Melaka, where over 90% of adults are fully vaccinated, he said. He noted that during the campaign period, clearer SOPs should be introduced, adding that there had to be restrictions on large crowds at charamas.